In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add drop shadows to any objects here in Kittl. Now, this is extremely easy to do, and we can do this on objects, elements, and even photos. So if we come over to here, to the left-hand side, and go to Elements, let's just choose this one as an example. And once you have your element on the page, you want to come over to here, to the right-hand side, where it says Object Shadow. Now we have three different options to choose from. We have this first one, this second one, and this third one just here. We can change the colour by clicking on the colour circle just here, choosing the colour that we want, or we can even choose the hex code colour just here as well, and also play around with the opacity as well. Now we also have a few different settings that we can play with, one being the offset, two being the angle, and three being the blur. We can change this by dragging on the bar or by clicking on these arrows just here. Now if we choose this first box just here, it's going to go to no shadow. Now it's exactly the same if we use photos as well. So if we come over to photos just here, let's go ahead and click on one of these. Let's use this one. We can do the whole photo or round the edge of the whole photo by doing the same thing. Or if we use the AI background remover and remove the background from the image, now when we use these drop shadow boxes, it's going to do it round the cutout image, as you can see just here, and then all the presets, all the options are exactly the same. So that's how to add drop shadows to any objects here in Kittl. Now for more Kittl bite-sized tutorials, click right here and watch this playlist.